See ruler is equation exercise 5e. Today we will see Cauchy's ruler equation exercise 5e. An equation is in the form of x power n d power n y by dx power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 into y by dx power n minus 1 plus so on pn y equal to q, where all these p1, p2, pn are the real constant and q is a function of x defined on an interval I, is called a homogeneous linear equation or Cauchy's ruler equation of order n, because it is having d power n by dx power n order n, and its operator form is defined like this: x power n d power n plus p1 d power n minus 1 plus pn into y equal to q of x, where this d is a differential operator d by dx. Cauchy's ruler equation can be transformed into linear equation with a constant coefficient by the change of independent variable with the substitution x equal to e power z or z equal to log x. Here we are changing Cauchy's ruler equation into linear equation with a constant coefficient by writing x equal to e power x, and we can write x equal to e power z, or we can write z equal to log x, and x is always a positive value. We know that d by dx can be written as d. Here the differential operator we will take d by d is equal to theta. Similarly, d square by dz square equal to theta square, so on d power n by dz power n equal to theta power n. So this summary is x into d can be written as theta, x square d square can be written as theta into theta minus 1, x cube d cube can be written as theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2, so on x power n d power n can be written as theta into theta minus 1, so on theta minus n minus 1. Now we will see one example problem based on this. Problem 1. The question is 3x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to x. We are writing the given equation in the operator form: 3x square d square plus x into d plus y equal to x. Equation 1. Here we are substituting x equal to e power z, or we can write z equal to log x, where x is a positive value. Theta equal to d by dz. Xt, here the equation is of order 2, so we have to take the terms xt equal to theta, x square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1. These two are equation 2 and this is 1. Now we are substituting xt value and x square d square value in this equation, and we are substituting x as e power z. Now by substituting that, we will get 3 into theta minus 1 plus theta plus 1. This 3 into theta minus 1 plus theta plus 1 into y equal to x is e power z. So by simplifying this, we are getting 3 theta square minus 3 theta plus 1 into y equal to e power z. 3 theta square minus 2 theta plus 1 into y equal to e power z. This we are taking as equation 3. We are writing here f of t is 3 theta square minus 2 theta plus 1. Now we are finding auxiliary equation for this: f of m equal to 0. 3m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is equation 4. Now we are finding the roots for this equation by using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b value is minus 2, a value is 3 and c value is 1. Substitute all the values in this. We are getting 1 by 2 plus or minus root 2 by 3 into I. This is a real root and this is a complex root. So complementary function for this: yc equal to e power z by 3 into c1 cos root 2 by 3 into z plus c2 into sin root 2 by 3 into z. Now we need to find the particular integral. Yp equal to 1 by 3 theta square minus 2 theta plus 1 into e power z. Here coefficient of z in this e power is 1. So wherever we have theta, there we need to substitute 1. 3 into 1, theta value is 1. 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. E power z, 3 minus 2 plus 1 is e power z by 2 we are getting. Now this is the particular integral for the equation, this f of m equal to this 3m square minus 2m plus 1. Now we want to write the general solution for the equation 3. General solution for this equation 3 is yc plus yp. The question is in the form of z and theta. So we will get e power z by 3 c1 cos root 2 by 3z plus c2 sin root 2 by z root 2 by 3 into z plus yp value is e power z by 2. But we need to find the general solution for the equation 1. So wherever we have e power z, there we need to substitute x. Y equal to x power 1 by 3 c1 cos root 2 by 3 log x. Z can be written as log x plus c2 sin root 2 by 3. Z is log x plus e power z is x by 2. This is the general solution for the equation 1.